In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize board views on Monday.com so you can organize your projects exactly the way you want. Whether you're managing tasks, tracking deadlines, or collaborating with a team, customizing your board views can completely transform how you see your work and improve productivity. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add new views, adjust settings, apply filters, group and sort your data, and save everything for quick access later. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your board on Monday.com. Go to the specific board where you want to adjust the view. This could be a project board, a task tracker, a content calendar, or any workflow you're currently managing. Once you're inside the board, you'll see your existing view, which is usually the main table view by default. Now, let's add a new view. At the top of the board, click on the plus Add View button. Monday.com will show you different view types that you can choose from. For example, you can select a table view if you want a structured spreadsheet-style layout. You can choose Kanban if you prefer a visual workflow with cards moving between columns. There's also Calendar View for date-based planning, Gantt View for timelines and dependencies, Chart View for analytics, and even Form View if you want to collect information directly into your board. Select the view type that best matches how you want to visualize your data. Once the new view opens, it's time to customize the settings. This is where the real power comes in. Use the settings panel to control exactly what appears in this view. Start by choosing which columns you want to show or hide. For example, if you only care about task name, status, due date, and owner, you can hide everything else to keep the layout clean and focused. Next, apply filters. Filters allow you to display only specific items, such as tasks that are marked in progress, items assigned to a certain team member, or tasks due this week. This is extremely helpful when you want a focused working view without distractions from completed or irrelevant tasks. After filtering, adjust your sorting options. You can sort by date, priority, status, or almost any column on your board. Sorting helps you quickly identify what needs attention first. You can also group items by status, people, or date. For example, grouping by status in a Kanban view gives you a clear workflow layout. Grouping by people shows workload distribution across your team. Grouping by date can help you see upcoming deadlines in a structured way. These grouping options make your board much more dynamic and easier to analyze. Once you're happy with the layout, rename the view so it's easy to recognize later. Click on the view name at the top of the board and enter a clear, descriptive title, such as Project Timeline, Team Kanban View, or This Week's Priorities. Giving your views clear names makes switching between them much easier, especially if you create multiple custom views for different purposes. Now make sure you save your custom view. Click Save Changes to this view to ensure that your filters, sorting preferences, grouping, and layout are preserved. If you don't save, your customizations may not stick, so this step is important. Finally, you can switch between views anytime using the tabs at the top of your board. This allows you to move instantly between your table view, calendar view, Kanban view, or any custom layout you've created. It's a powerful way to look at the same data from different perspectives without duplicating your board. And that's how you customize board views on Monday.com. With just a few adjustments, you can create personalized layouts that match your workflow and make project management much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Monday.com tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.